There have been several reports suggesting that Samsung is adjusting the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to echo the aesthetics of the Galaxy Note 7. This shift indicates that we might be saying farewell to the sharp edges and embracing a more rounded silhouette. Initial leaks of the Galaxy S25 Ultra emerged in CAD-based renders back in March, and now fresh images have surfaced showcasing its side profile. These latest visuals reveal the device with rounded corners and flat sides, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which features a selfie camera cutout at the top of display. Tipster Ice Universe shared these purported renders on X, highlighting the phone's narrow bezels and hole-punch display design. The new images suggest a more rounded appearance compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, likely enhancing comfort when holding the device. Ice Universe had previously indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would adopt a more rounded design, marking a significant departure for Samsung, which has favored a boxy look for its S-series Ultra models since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, Ice notes that the renders may not fully capture all the design modifications. For example, earlier leaks mentioned that the side rails would curve towards the back, a detail that seems to be missing in the current renders, which depict completely flat sides. Additionally, the new images hint at a narrower width, although this change might not be immediately noticeable. The frame near the screen is expected to be straightened, reducing the overall width from 79mm to 77.6mm, and slightly increasing the screen size from 6.79 to 6.86 inches. For those eagerly anticipating the flagship release next year, there's exciting news. It appears to be lighter than its competitors. Ice Universe suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will weigh less than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. He shared on X that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be lighter than the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is not surprising given that the Pixel is constructed from glass and aluminum rather than titanium. Interestingly, the rumor mill indicates that the current Galaxy S24 Ultra, which tips the scales at 232 grams, will actually be heavier than its successor. The question remains whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra can outdo the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which weighs in at 221 grams. On the display front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.86-inch screen and match the body width of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's almost certain that Samsung will continue using a titanium shell for this flagship, as this is crucial for achieving a lighter design. However, it seems they won't be switching to a different material to reduce weight. Previous reports have indicated that Samsung will stick with Grade 2 titanium for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, implying that slight design modifications and a thinner profile will play key roles in weight reduction. That said, it's worth noting that this tipster has been wrong before, so we advise readers to take this rumor with caution until we receive official confirmation, likely at the launch event. So, what do you think of these new renders? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments, and for more updates, check out our channel. Until next time, take care.